Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video with Filmora 11. Okay, so we have Filmora 11 now, and it's time to learn new stuff in this version. And hopefully this video is helpful for you. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so here I am inside Filmora 11. In order to crop a video, you need a video first, right? So I'm going to use a stock media here at this folder. This is a beautiful animal. I don't know how it's called. By the way, in order to crop to this area on the screen, all you need to do is to split the clip at the position you want to crop. Okay, for example, right here I want to crop to the face of the animal. So first thing, I want to split it. I can use this icon to split the clip on the timeline. Okay, and the next thing, you want to select the clip on the timeline and select this button, crop. Okay, so in this new window, you are going to select the aspect ratio and then adjust the rectangular, the blue rectangular to the area that you want to crop. For example, here at the ratio, I can select 16:9. By the way, I can also type a number right here. By the way, it's better to just adjust this rectangular. For example, I can click and drag to the position where I want to crop to the face of the animal. Okay, and we can click this button to preview it. Very nice, right? And we can pause, and then we are going to click OK to go back to the timeline. So we have just created a crop effect for our video. So let's play it. Very nice, right? So what if you want to go back to full screen? It is very easy. The next thing you want to do is to split the clip at the position where you want to go back to full screen. So I'm going to split right here, and then at this section I'm going to delete the effect. That is the easiest way to get rid of the crop effect. So I'm going to right click and go to the effect tab right here and then select delete effect. Okay, and now it will go to full screen like this. That is very easy, right? So that is the first way to crop a video in Filmora 11. By the way, you have another option is to use the effect in the effect tab. So what I'm going to do is to select the effect right here, and then at this search box you need to search for crop, something like that, and then press enter to find the crop effect. So here's the crop effect. You can drag and drop it directly to your video clip or put it at the top track. Okay, so I'm going to just put it at the top track. And the next thing, you want to adjust the crop effect. So I'm going to double click at the crop effect, and now I can adjust the left and right and top and bottom of the crop. So this is another crop effect solution. Okay, that's simple, right? So that is how to crop a video in Filmora 11, and you can do the same with image also. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye and see you again.